How do I choose a solar installer?
Ooh, another great question. Choosing the best solar installer is ideal for the homeowner who is, I guess, wants the best experience. And the way that I would go about it if I was a homeowner in your situation is I would personally do my research, find 4 companies that I like the most. I would do a detailed analysis on the company themselves, make sure that they operate as a company and not just as a dealer or a sales organization. In a sense, there's nothing wrong with being a sales organization or dealer. Is that you want somebody that's going to be around for the long term. You want somebody that's going to actually market themselves as being around for the long term, who's fully invested in seeing your success as a homeowner and not just trying to sell you on a solar system. That's what I pride myself on. Even though I'm a dealer, even though I do operate as a smaller company, I pride myself on taking the initial interest in my customers and making sure they get the best experience